So welcome back to the channel. I'm currently on a class 377 on set number 377401. We just left West Croydon. Next stop is Norwood Junction. Now, if you've probably seen the news a few days ago, you were probably aware of a derailment that occurred in Selhurst not too long ago, and it caused major disruption for the Brighton Mainline, even going so far as to advertise a do not travel alert. So I think the set was 377454 that derailed in this area, and I'm not really sure where the set is now. I mean, we'll pass the side of the derailment. We'll pass the side of the derailment very shortly, but there's Selhurst Depot. And I think the set was on an empty stock movement, and from what I've seen, I think the set collided with another train on a signal past a danger scenario. I mean, that's what I've seen from past clips. So, yeah. And yeah, you might have heard the train honking. That's because we're passing some railway workers.
Someone had
yeah, just around here, I think that was where the derailment happened. And I'm not sure where 377454 is now. I think it's either in Derby Litchurch Lane getting some repairs, because from what I've seen in a photo, the skirt of the train is extremely damaged, or it might be in Selhurst getting some repairs here. So yeah, anyway guys, that's all I want to say really. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, I'll see you all next time.